So, hi friends. In continuation with the first part of the demo, we are working on JavaScript. So here, what we observed is JavaScript is not only for the validation part, but also it is used to alert the user, alert the end user to enter required fields. So if he enters for a different if he enters a not a valid email address, then it asks for please enter valid email address. So generally, if you consider here the date of birth, you can fill up your date of birth by choosing different whatever the date of birth year you are. And this kind of operation is done using this kind of application is developed using jQuery. So jQuery is nothing but the advancement of JavaScript. So generally for the phone numbers as well, it generally consists of digits. So if you given any alphabets, to it immediately alerts the user to please enter only digits. So this kind of works we are generally used for JavaScript, not only for validations but creating the immediate effects only after the on whenever the user is filling improper data, then we are making an user alert. So by we can using JavaScript we can develop some applications which were not much burden to the user. Rather than submitting all the form, it displays immediately. So now I am already having an account in this website. So for the first time, my friend he is going to register in my website. He is Rikil. Rikil, please register in my website. So for the first name, so he's entering his first name, his details, first name and last name. So immediately when we enter some data, so the error message which was there, this field is required, is gone. Yeah, please continue. So he's giving his Gmail account. Please remember your Gmail account. You can simultaneously log in as well to check. So and password, unless and until you give the correct password, it asks for the passwords to match. So both passwords should be matched. So date of birth using JavaScript here. So 13th August, and his mobile number, and address. Just so my friend he has given his details, and now there is a message like registration completed successfully, please check your email and click on the activation link. So now the concept of PHP has come. So the using PHP we have sent the email verification. So why majorly we use, so you can log into your Gmail account, whatever the email ID you have given, you should log into the Gmail account with to that email account. So you'll be receiving an emails. Sorry, sign out my. So now he will be logging with his Gmail account. Whatever the email ID you have given, please give the same. So he's logging into the Gmail account now. So he has got an email from my website, so stating that account created successfully, please click on below activation link. So let us test this application once again. So he hasn't clicked the link as of now, but still if he tries to log in now, So if he tries to log in now, whatever the Gmail ID you have given, please give it again. And the passwords. So now without clicking on the activation link, if he still he can't now he can't sign into the website. So it is clearly showing the message, please click on the activation link. So this is mainly to avoid unnecessary users. So if you are a valid user, then only you can use my website. So to make such kind of things, to avoid such kind of things, we are going to do this. So Rikin, now please activate the link. So now you can click. So congratulations Rikin, now you have become some member. So 44th member. So this all these concepts and retrieving data from the database, so this is the concept of retrieving data from the database and welcoming Rikin. So now he can log in by clicking here. So now you can log in here Rikin, with your Gmail and password. So now here you can see welcome Rikin. So this is the concept of using PHP sessions. So now session is nothing but, suppose if you take any Gmail account, suppose when you log into the Gmail account, whenever you log into the Gmail account, you will be having a welcome message with your name, with what your first name you have given. So session is nothing but it is a data which is related to you. When you log in with your Gmail account, you will be having the data, the inbox or the mails related to you, but not the other people. So whenever you click on the sign out button, then only you will be out from the Gmail account. So similarly here it has happened. Now once again, if you observe here, Rikil is a normal person, so is an end user. So here if you observe here, you will be able to see only 3 links available. I will show with my admin login where I will log in, so I can clearly show the difference between how to use sessions. So here also we are using sessions concept. So I have downloaded one small chat application as well. So Rikil, you can say like hi or any messages you can, and send button. Hello everybody, and send button. So Rikil has displayed one message, so it is showing C. So welcome to our chat application Rikil, so using sessions concept. So now Rikil is starting, whereas at the same time the chat application we can chat from anywhere over the world, and we can chat here. So now if you observe here, when I click on the back button, I am able to, when I click on the back button, I am able to come back to the pages again, whereas I can come back from my website as well. Why? Because now if you observe here, I have clicked on the sign out button. This is the most powerful button, so developers should be very careful in developing the sign out button on the application. So sign out is nothing but I am going out from this system, I am entering, I am exiting from this session. So when I click on the sign out button, now when I click on this back button, my website doesn't allow me to once again come into the back page. Why? Because your session has been expired. So in order to log in, you should again log in with your Gmail, your username and password. So these are the concepts of using sessions and cookies, how we are going to how we are going to log into a website. So now again I'm sign outing. So now I am logging with the different kind of user. I am the admin of this website, so I am logging with my login details. So now if you observe here, I am going to log in here. So it is displaying welcome Anvish. So this is using sessions concept. So now it has shown me my name. And now if you observe in the left side the links, whereas when my friend Rikil has logged in, he is able to see only 3 links, but here you can see that I am having the facility to visit to see many links. So this is also using PHP sessions and cook sessions concept. So with using these PHP sessions and cookies concept, we can provide more security to the website. Like once you click on the sign out button, you should not be able to again enter into the website. So these are the concept, and differentiating between the users. Admin should be available to some part of the data, where the users should available to you see only their data, whereas you admin can see who are the all the members of that data, like that. So now, so there are some different kind of applications which I have developed. So one of them is like visa registration. So this is the project I have developed for visa consultancy. So here, whenever when you click on the specific date, suppose say today is April 18th, so now I want to check for the visa. So here the maximum 5 slots are allowed. So if I fill the 5 slots, then this page will be, it won't allow. So only maximum, all it displays the message maximum 2 slots are allowed per day. So based on the availability only, then other part of the data will be coming. So some, whenever your visa date, then the student email, if you give all the details, then student will be getting an email address, email message saying that so and so is on yours or your visa date, so please be ready, get prepared further. So this is the small project I have developed for some one consultant visa from visa consultancy. So you can now check, so what are the kinds of applications still we can develop. So now I am checking like on December 27th, so how many students are there, so the admin can check. So generate Excel report. So there are 2 students who have appointment on that day. So if you open here, then their details will be available to us. So like that. So here what is the information is like, the now the admin can check, get the printout details, and he can check. So the major the concept here is, so how to generate Excel reports, how to check the data based on this input given using database queries. We are going to perform this generating Excel reports, and this kind of concepts we are going to learn in the classes. So another project is one worship team. This is I have developed to for my friend. He wants to randomly check how many users are available on specific dates. So he want to check with a role kind of like worship lead, and he wants to get the details. So here he can check like that, worship lead, to see the list. And so here he can see there are some people who are having with that kind of a role. So these are the, like this variety of applications we can develop using PHP and MySQL. So that's what this is the demo on PHP. So now when I sign out, I will be away from this out from this website, and now I can't enter this website when I again click the back button. So these are all the concepts we are going to cover in this. So HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and PHP, and the most important concepts are sessions and cookies, and how the data we are going to get. So if you have time, please register in my website, so that follow these steps, so that you can actually differentiate between you and the other and the data between me. So using sessions, we are differentiating between we are providing authentication to you are users and the admin level, and more security. When you click on the sign out button, you should be away from the system, and another person might coming and using the system, so he should not see your data. So this is kind of security issues. And cookies are like, when you click on to the, you want specific data, then those data we can store in the client system. We will discuss everything in the step-by-step procedure in a clear way with coding, and we will also do the real-time project as well, like this. And thank you. Keep updated. Thanks a lot once again for watching.